you know what pets do for us? They clarify. They make clear who and what we are because they ignore the pretenses and they see right through the masks. They love us in spite of ourselves, and they accept whatever is offered with a degree of gratitude rarely seen among your peers. In dealing with people, there is always theater, kabuki of sorts. It is required behavior for many because they have bought into the fear. They have bought into the belief that no one is to be trusted. Actually, that is not bad advice at all, if you yourself have no idea what trust is. Besides, sharing oneself requires a lot of work, or no work at all, depending on the person to whom you have shared yourself. But we're talking about pets. I can only speak for myself. My dog lays next to my chair as I write, and she is calm and in a state of total bliss. So it would seem, anyway. I watch her stomach rise and fall, as if it is to the rhythm of life itself. And I feel very honored that she would trust me enough to go to sleep, to rest, to be at ease with the world. Do you have someone like that? As for my cat, well, my cat is estimated to be around 21 years old. We can only guess, really. He came to us and then he stayed. Know something about cats? They're very independent and they're very clever. They're masters of manipulation and extremely cunning. But they soon steal your heart. This particular cat is old. I think the tapazole is what is keeping him alive. No matter. I just know that when that day comes when he chooses to depart our company, it'll be a very sad day for me. He was never my cat, really. No one ever owns a cat. But him not being around will diminish me as a person, I think. I hope never to assume the responsibility for another cat. Instead, I will seek communion with birds. As wild as they are, there is beauty in just watching them. I feed the ones in my backyard, but never the ducks in the ponds. Habits are hard to break, and unless I can commit totally to the care of those ducks, why start? Besides, in the feeding of ducks, I'm teaching them not to depend on their own wit and natural instincts. That can never be good. So, what's the difference between my backyard birds and the ducks? Movement. My backyard is just one stop out of hundreds for those little guys. But the duck, they stay in place. Robert Brault of robertbrault.com, he said, "The difference between friends and pets is that friends we allow into our company, pets we allow into our solitude."